Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at how much compensation you may be entitled to for a cheekbone injury if you've been involved in an accident which was due to the negligence of others. If you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Whether it be from a road traffic accident or an accident at work, if you've injured your cheekbone due to the negligence of others, you may be entitled to compensation. I'll shortly be going over our cheekbone fracture compensation claim amount table, but first I'd like to emphasise that the amounts in this table are only a fraction of what you may expect to receive when claiming compensation, as these figures only cover your injuries and not any other expenses which may form part of your compensation sum. An example of this could be demonstrated in our case study, where a claimant received £47,500 in damages for a broken cheekbone, as well as secondary injuries affecting their vision and some psychological injuries. Now, let's take a look at the table. So in front of us, we have the table for fractures to cheekbone compensation claim amount, and for serious fractures requiring surgery but with lasting consequences such as paresthesia in the cheeks or the lips or some element of disfigurement, you could expect to receive anything from £8,130 right the way up to £12,580 for simple fractures of the cheekbone, for which some reconstructive surgery is necessary, but from which there is a complete recovery with no or only minimal cosmetic effects. You could expect to receive anything between £3,470 right the way up to £5,130. Then finally, for simple fracture of cheekbone, for which no surgery is required and where a complete recovery is affected, you could expect to receive anything between £1,850 right the way up to £2,390. I'd like to once again emphasise that these figures are for your injuries only and do not include the compensation from any loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the final compensation claim amount is likely to be larger. But in order to get a fuller idea of just how much compensation you may be entitled to, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676 or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be happy to use our facial injury compensation calculator, where we'll be able to give you a more accurate idea of just how much you may be entitled to. Following this consultation, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. Now, what this means for you is that there won't be any upfront fees to worry about, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.